Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video in my daily routine series. Today, I'm going to show you how I finally removed the plastic sheet that's been sitting for way too long over our house's concrete plastering. It's been there so long that getting it off has become quite the challenge. According to the masons, this plastic should ideally be removed within 1 or 2 months after plastering, but we definitely overshot that. While helping the masons with that job, I also joined in cleaning our fishery pond. We're planning to stock it with fish soon, so stay tuned for that update. Now, this might not be the most exciting video out there, but I hope you'll stick around till the end. And as always, thank you so much for your support, not just by subscribing, but by watching all my videos. I truly appreciate it. I'll keep trying to bring even better content your way, so please continue supporting the channel and keep watching.
Weapons Canada tools can engineer account correct. Done ceiling the letra takam do mica han don't know. Paradak try go kiman baro don't remove go done plastering was a mystery so don't remove go like I have to remove the plastic then all the solid do cement plastering the paldego. Yeah, long way to go. Do she dig there is a kilometer all up the Rakane, it did one remove cool like a paradox remove cool travel. Do Busta cement bustam don't remove Kunajo. So stand open it to come cross road. The reference come here down into the I love to remove pressure product. Now second phase charge continue grow. Chalo comes through. Oh, but it's very risky. Okay, man, bamboo and all what is it? Too risky. Hey. Side take it right over. Nicht na do laina nan git kayo piece di ders de diri rahan to remove ko le piece to don't become like do hexoblade biola do remove ko das piece di rahan ine Bio is power alone of one kilo plaster go na bo don't remove crazy to Mr. Andy all of mudut crazy so that come the lot speed hazara lagai na to come the pat kuro power le like crazy. Tekan is na don't take to paradox remove cotis. Look, Pachina Tando, don't know. Good burner one. July do let it. Don't Palwa Nola. Illuminamanque, it burner handbag, Julina or light even. No burner use screen as well. You don't look Passina Han. Burner Jolezo. অলপ কামটো হৈছে নেকি বাওৱাটো ওলা নাই বুলি কামটো অলপ খোৱা নিচিনা দেখিছে চলো আৰু বেছি আছে এইটো মাকিৰে বেছি আছে ৰিমুভ কৰোঁ cleaning and repairing the fishery. So as you can see, so it's time for cleaning for this year. The mask fishery to come suru hoise এটা তো মাছটো লাগা না এটা সাফা করার পিছতে মাছটো থাকবে